Hi Chris, here's a quick test of your clocks, just finished them. That's the initial sweep, and you'll see the mileage on, I've set it to 41,850, yours were 41,859, so you're 9 miles less at the moment. And then first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, or run stop warning, which you can select to different patterns. And when you're in gear, if it's too bright like that, you can dim it to one of 5 different levels. I'll leave it on full. And if I just give it some speed and RPM, so you can see they're working. There's some RPM, there's some speed, and if I just show the trips are working, 3160, in fact that's the mileage I've added to it, and 283, boom, 41. Actually, if I go, you can see that the reset's working okay, and reset that one as well. Okay, clock is set, keeps the clock okay, so they are good to go. I'll send you a PayPal request. Cheers, hope you like them.